In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use Proton VPN for Netflix. So let's just begin. Now, if you're using Netflix and due to some regional restrictions, you cannot access some shows, dramas or anything. So the most recommended way is going to be simply selecting a region inside Proton VPN. And you can see we have a lot of these regions showing up in here that you can use. Now once you select the region where that show is available, you can click on this connect option, or you can select that region, and you can see we have these option of plus right in front of that. So of course it's going to be requiring to upgrade, but you can see some of these features are going to be regions are going to be basically free, and you can connect to those as well. So you can connect to them and access your shows easily and enjoy. So this was my quick demonstration of how to use your Proton VPN for Netflix, and if you still have any questions, you can feel free to ask me.